In this video, I'm going to show you the ways how you can fix your error message when trying to stream content on Discover Plus. Now, if you're encountering error message when trying to stream content on Discover Plus, then there might be several different reasons. So in order to fix it, you have to first of all make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Check your internet connection to ensure if it's stable and sufficient bandwidth for streaming or not. Likewise, you can also ensure that the Discover app is up to date. If not, head over to your respective Play Store and make sure to check whether it's up to date or to the latest version. You can also verify that Discover Plus subscription is active and there are no billing issues or account restriction that could be preventing from accessing content and all that. Some content on Discover Plus may be subject to a regional restriction due to licensing agreement. You could go ahead and ensure that the content you're trying to access is available in your region as well. And likewise, you can clear the cache and data of the Discover Plus app on your device and accumulate cache or corrupted data at the same time. Ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirement for streaming content on Discover. Now, older or less powerful devices may struggle to handle streaming, leading to errors as well. Try streaming on a different device to see if the issues persist on or not. So these were some of the troubleshooting steps that can help you solve or fix error message when trying to stream content on Discover Plus. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.